have our good energy.
Yeah. Do we have gas?
Now we're getting gas.
In 3, 2, 1. We're here, guys. We're here to mountain. Puts in guys. Look at go. Mochi Sisters, yay. Oh, we are the best. We're in Torino. Excited.
Shall we go?
Guys, let's do my building. A fashion bell.
So now we're gonna go for lunch.
Can I give you guys a quiz? Guys, you guys have to comment down below what was the quiz, okay? So, what is the hottest planet? Comment down below. Second question. Who is a famous character from Mexico? Comment down below.
What is it?
I'm not gonna tell them. Comment down below, Mom.
Okay. Third question.
The third question. So, what do you think my favorite scent of flower is? Comment down below. Bye.
Oof. They're too good, Dylan. Too good.
Do you want my hands?
Yeah, maybe come help. Can you come and give me hand? Sorry, coach.
Okay. Titi.
Coach, give me strength.
Friends.
You. Eat it, coach.
I'm eating a perfect salad.
And what is this?
This is my potatoes with salmon and with
This not the potato. This is
guacamole. Why do they like chocolate?
Marianne, did you like the food?
Yeah. It's a clock.
It's the clock.
So we are at the cafe.
Wow, the pizzerin and the frappe.
Okay, hi everybody. I'm talking on the background. I'm going to show you guys my tortellini. Here it is. Here is a bottle. Here's some wine that my mom drinking.
Yes, please.
And there's some bread over there. And that's the girl. And this is my mom's food. Can I show it?
Yeah.
It's so yummy. I want to try the potatoes.
And I'm gonna show you the panna cotta of
Wow.
Daddy's. Because panna
Dida,
cotta
you
is
want
for
cheese, right?
mom.
Perfect.
And Dylan, your cream.
Now they're putting some snow. It's just cheese. But it looks like it.
Yeah.
Let's eat this big stick.